We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish, as well as how to say more delicious traditional Mexican dish names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This is a name and a dish that is called simply queso sometimes, which is an appetizer or side dish of melted cheese with chili peppers, typically served in Tex-Mex restaurants as a dip for tortilla chips. How do you go about pronouncing it in Spanish? It is said as chile, not chili, but chile con queso. Chile meaning chili peppers, chile con queso, queso meaning cheese, chile con queso. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more delicious food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.